When I tell you I'm in love with this look, that's an understatement. This look, I'm going to show you how I got this look. Right now, I'm just doing my brows, prepping them so they can be as flat as possible. Taking the Elmer's glue stick to glue them down. Make sure you get both sides. Then I'm going to pat some translucent powder on top. Then some orange corrector to further conceal your eyebrows. And then after, you want to top it with some foundation of your color. I didn't show it in this video. I don't know what happened to that clip. But once your eyebrows are done, you can go ahead and do your makeup however you want to. I'm going to go ahead and pick the colors that I'm like feeling right now. I'm feeling orange, some pink, and a little purple. The goal is to get that porcelain glass skin. So as long as the colors that you pick are vibrant, you can do no wrong. And right here, you can see that I'm adding some highlights. I don't know if this is necessary, but I just did it anyway just in case. I just knew that I wasn't going to add any contour to this look, and I didn't want my face to be just completely flat, so hopefully it added a little bit more glow underneath the mask. So right here you can see that I'm finishing off my makeup with the blush, the lips, and the eyebrows. Now here comes the fun part. I'm going to take my Freeman Peel Off Gel Mask and some water, and I'm going to mix it to apply on my skin. It's very important to apply and not rub because you don't want to move your makeup. I'm going to do this 3 to 4 times. I'm going to apply, then blow dry. Apply, then blow dry. And then there you go. We get this look. Voila. It is so pretty. I did not want to take it off. I will definitely be doing this again. But till next time, I'll see you in the next video.